Frequent flyer flies, la 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 la. Frequent flyers back.
What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer? Welcome back to the channel. Smash the like button to show your support. If you're new to the channel, I'd like to extend a warm welcome. And today I have a review for you guys. This is the Betafpv Meteor 75 Pro. And I think they add the HD on the end of that name. But this thing is the Walksnail edition of the 75 Pro. And this is the edition where they cheat on the prop size. These are 75.5 millimeter props. And so a little bit larger than the normal size 75 millimeter. And just for comparison, this is a 75 millimeter whoop. Check it out. See how the hoops are slightly larger on this guy right here. This is a traditional size 75 millimeter that isn't cheating. So I'm just going to cut through the chase, y'all. This thing is really awesome. In my opinion, this is the best whoop that I've flown thus far. Not as far as performance, but as far as this thing having Walksnail on it. I think the Walksnail digital FPV system is a whole lot better than the HD0. And I was previously flying HD0 on this size. You guys who are familiar with the channel and return to the channel a lot probably have seen me flying the orange version of this with HD0 installed on it. Talking about this frame here. And it flies really nice. Best flying whoop I've flown. And this one is actually the same size and all, but not far behind. This is a little heavier, I think, because of the canopy and all. I had a smaller canopy. The other one that I had, I was flying it. It was a I guess chop shop whoop where I made a few modifications. I actually built the thing. I built it out. It came as the Mobile 7, and I took the Mobile 7 1S parts and put them inside the Betafpv 75 Pro frame. But what I did was I ended up taking an HD system from HD0 and dropping that in that frame. And so I was flying it around. That was the best thing that I had flown. Had the same motors and everything on it at one point. And it just was an awesome flyer. This thing is awesome as well with a better video system. And so when I first purchased this thing, I made a mistake. I thought I was getting the Express LRS version of this little quad, but I ended up ordering the Crossfire version by mistake. And so it came with an external Crossfire receiver. I have nothing that can fly Crossfire, so I ended up doing a small chop shop on this thing, just replacing the receiver on it with a receiver that I had that was Express LRS. And so it's going to fly pretty much the same as it would fly without me making that change and just keeping the Crossfire system. But I just point that out to say that I do have a version of this board from Betafpv that's installed in this thing that has an internal Express LRS receiver built in, and it's a serial receiver as well. So I let me open this box right here. I have it right in the box here actually. And so that would lighten this thing up slightly, and we know that every little gram counts. I already showed what came in the box with this thing, but I'll just show you guys real quick. It comes with a little controller for the Cadix camera. I never even opened this thing, but it came with this Betafpv double charger for BT 2.0 connection. It has a USB Type-C on the other end, and it has the cord too supplied as well. But this cord here is for the Walksnail system to get the video off of there, because Walksnail has internal memory on the board which stores the video, so you can dump that video off of there with that little cord there. Also, this is the USB type C that's supplied to work with that charger there. We have an extra set of props. We got some screws and a screwdriver to tighten them down if you need be. These props are press on with these motors though. And this is the board that I was saying that I have. I should have installed this board on there because it's the same board, except for this one has an internal Express LRS receiver and it would lighten this thing up. And this is the receiver that it came with. So this is a Crossfire receiver. I actually swapped it out. These are the batteries that it came with. I was charging them at the moment. It came with 2 of these, so I have 2 of these that came with this system here. It didn't have this ugly little antenna coming out of here. It did have diversity though on the antenna that I put in here. So I have this antenna going across the back there, and then I have this thing coming up here. A really awesome flyer. I really love it. I've been flying this thing, having fun. Really awesome to have such clear digital high resolution video coming from such a small machine. Let's go check it out. All right, y'all, we're gonna fly with the stock battery first. Whoa! We banged out, but we covered. Low battery already? Sheesh. Okay, let's bring it down, y'all. I guess this little stock battery is trash, y'all. Bring it back in. Missed the mark. Let's stop the record for a second. Let's get one of these G&B batteries in here, y'all. Might be a little better. Keep getting a low battery, y'all. Uh-oh. battery is kind of low, y'all. That was a wacky flight right there, y'all. The Meteor 75 Pro. Thanks for watching.